Hi friends, today we're going to do Module 5, Lesson 6, Objective. Model with objects and represent numbers 10 to 20 with place value or also known as hide zero cards. This is an exciting lesson where we get to use a new tool, our hide zero cards, to help us represent teen numbers. Understanding that inside teen numbers, there is a 10. We will play a game called How Many More to Make 10. You tell me how many dots you see by holding up the fingers, and then how many more we need. This quick fact fluency to 10 is going to help you prepare for first grade. How many dots? 2. How many more to make 10? 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. How many dots? 4. How many more dots to make 10? 4 plus 6 equals 10. How many dots? 5. How many more to make 10? 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. How many dots? 1. How many more to make 10? 9. 1 plus 9 equals 10. How many dots? 3. How many more to make 10? 7. Good. 3 plus 7 equals 10. How many dots? 2. How many more to make 10? 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. How many dots? 4. How many more dots to make 10? 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Great job. Now we're going to play a game called Dot Cards to 8. I will show you a card. You will tell me how many dots and how you see them in two parts. I'll show you the first one. All right, so I see these dots in these two parts. I have 6 down below and 2 on top. So I would say 6 plus 2 equals 8. Good job. See if you can do that. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Well done. All right, see if you can split these dots into two parts to say a number sentence. Oh, I like that way. You could also split it like this. 3 and 5 makes 8. Can you say it like that? 3 and 5 makes 8. Good job. All right, one more. How are these dots already separated for us? Good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Great, those are all number pairs to 8. For our problem today, we have 18 students. 10 of them are girls and 8 of them are boys. So when we draw our groups, our dots, we need to make sure that they are the 5-group way. So go ahead on your board or paper, follow along. We're going to draw 10 circles to represent 10 girls. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Stop. Go to the bottom to do the rest. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now we need to represent 8 boys. 8 boys. Same thing. We're going to do it the 5-group way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we have more girls or more boys? You're right. We have more girls. We have 10 girls. And how many boys do we have? 8. Good. And we're going to get into some teen number addition. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. And I've got a really cool strategy to help you with this. Make sure you're practicing your teen numbers so that this work is easy peasy. All right. We are going to look at hide zero cards. What happened to the 0 in the ones? When I move up this number 8 to create 18 students in our last problem, we have the number 18. Can you write the number 18? Good. A 1 and an 8. That 1 does not represent 1. That 1 in 18 represents 10. With our place values, we have the tens column, starts with a t, and the ones column. Okay, and we have 8 ones, 8 boys, and we had 10 girls. We didn't have 1 girl and 8 boys, 1 plus 8. We had 18. Okay, making sure that we remember that that 1 is a 10. All right, here are our hide 0 cards. Let's leave 10 at the top, and we need to put the rest in order. So I'm going to call on you to tell me what number comes first. Check again, not 1. 0. Good job. There is a number 0, so we're going to put him first. What number comes next? 1. Good. You can hold up your fingers to show me. What number comes next? 2. Well done. Next. 3. Next. 4. Next. 5. Good. I'm going to move that one out of the way. What number comes after 5? 5 and 1 more. 6. Good. 6 and 1 more. 7. 7 and 1 more. 8. And 8 and 1 more. 9. Good job. We've got our numbers in order to use our hide 0 cards. Now that they are in order, we are going to practice the say 10 way with our cubes. So I've got my 10 cubes right here, and I'm going to flash you my fingers and be counting, okay? When we move our cards up, we need to make sure that we're placing it over the 0. We're now giving ourselves a 1 in the ones column with 1 cube. So let's get started and repeat after me. 10, 1, 11. Good. Now get out another cube. 10 and 2, 12. Good. Notice the number that we're building. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. We have 4 ones and we have 1 10. We're flashing our hand of 10. Good. Labeling my place values. We got 10s and 1s. Good. All right, let's add one more cube and say 10. So flash me 10 fingers. 10, 5. 5 ones. 15. 10 and 5 makes 15. 10, 6, 16. 10, 7, 17. 10, 8, 18. And 10, 9, 19. Well done. All right, let's use our hide 0 cards to show any number I call out. So I'm going to call out a number, and I want you to say it the say 10 way. Then you're going to hold up the number of fingers, which card I should choose, okay? So let's start with 14. Okay, so say it the say 10 way. I say 14, you say 10, 4, and keep up that finger of 4, fingers of 4. Good, and I'll drag up the 4. Well done. 12. Good. Say 10, 2, and hold up that 2 so I know which one to pull up. That is 12. Good job. 18. Good. 10, 8, and keep up the number 8. Well done. Let's do one more, friends. That's the number 18. 15. So we say 10, 5. 10, 5. And we bring up that number 5 to make 15. Great job. All right, for our problem set, we are going to take a look at our picture. And we are going to do one problem together where we are drawing circles to create the number 15. So I know that this entire 10 frame needs to be filled in because look at down below, it says 10, and I know that 10 frames have 10. Now for this one, I know that there's 5 in one column, so I can quickly and easily make the number 15. Now when we bring it down here to write the number 15 like they did 13, we only bring down the 1 to represent the 10 in the tens column, the 1 10 that we have, and we bring down the 5 and write the number 5 for the ones column. Great job. The number is 15. All right, friends, I've got one more problem for you today. I need you to hold up your fingers so that I can make the number 16. Good. Say it the Say 10 way. 10, 6, 16. Good job. Well done. Thanks for joining me, friends.